Yeah, boy.
And now it's finally time. Whatever, let's begin. A nuclear bomb you'll be having.
Hallelujah! Holy shit!
Time to up the spiciness. Brookins gets it.
Hey guys! Piece of shit!
Success!
Oh, yes, Daddy.
La la la, wee!
La 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 la, la 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 la.
This is so much fun! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! I'm gonna go to my head! Yeah, right there, pervert!
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. Fortunately, my patience has run out.
It was me. I used your chef hat to wipe my ass, since I didn't have any toilet papers left.
Pick the baby.
Okay.
What the fuck is this shit?
Be careful. It's pretty spicy.
Hey, hello, it's me, Mario.
What do you all think of my spaghetti? Hello. What?
Okie dokie, your move.
Oh my god!